What's up guys, Luke McGuire here. Here's a quick demo video of Advertsuite, and I'm going to show you how you can use this for three key areas. However, you can use it for so many more. I'm going to show you e-commerce, local marketing, and also affiliate marketing as well. So let's just get started. Again, Advertsuite takes all the guesswork out of creating profitable, successful Facebook ads for you by showing you all the different Facebook ads that are running right now in the world, allowing you to find the successful ones and then find out the actual engaged demographics and geographics of that ad, allowing you to then replicate and profit from them. So let's just do a really quick example right now. I'm going to search for ads related to teeth whitening that are connected to a Shopify store. So I'm going to click on Shopify here. I'm going to click on keyword. You can also search for advertisers specifically or even domain names. I'm going to go keyword type, and I'm going to type in ad text. I'm going to type in teeth whitening. Search for that right now. Now I can search through country and all these other areas here as well, but I'm going to sort these now by the most likes, just for this example search. And here we go. We can now see the most liked ads running right now related to teeth whitening that are connected to a Shopify store. Again, we can use Magneto or WooCommerce or just e-commerce in general. I'm then going to show you here's an example. Let's do one now. Let's search for nightclubs, say a local business like a nightclub. Keyword type, ad text again, I'm going to type in nightclub. I'm going to sort by the most likes again in this example. No e-commerce, and I'm going to search for that right now. And now all the nightclub ads around the world are going to appear for me here that have the word nightclub in the ad text, in the ad title. So I can go in here and see what ads are working the best for people advertising nightclubs. And again, as you scroll down, it'll load more and more and more. There's obviously lots of ads related to all niches. We add 10,000 new ads every single day here in Advertsuite. Here's an example using burgers. So if say you're working for a local client that has a burger restaurant or a restaurant in general, again, just typed in burgers and I can see all the different ads in the world related to burgers right now. Now, a really cool thing about this as well is you can then click on the ads in this little question mark here and then go in and find out information about that ad, who has been engaged, where the ad's being targeted to, along with the landing page itself. So if I click on this, it's going to pull up the actual landing page that this ad is being sent to. Boom. This is where they're sending this ad to right now, because again, it's so important to make sure your ad correlates to the landing page, because if that connection isn't right, the conversions aren't going to work. So you can see what is working, so you can just simply replicate what is out there to go out with a successful ad right away. Demographics, the majority of people engaging with this ad in this case are male. You can see all this information, how long they're running it for, how long it's been seen for, what countries it's being targeted. This specific ad is being targeted specifically to India, and the age groups here of 18 to 20 as well. So all this key information means you can just replicate this, so you don't need to test other different areas as well. You can go with what's working right away. Now, again, here's another example. I typed in make money, so we can see all the different make money ads that are online here on Facebook. Again, you can select languages, age groups. You can see if they've got what type of funnel they've got happening, if they're using click funnels, lead pages, so on and so forth. And you can go through these and really break down the type of ads they've got running. Now with the upgrades, the first OTO, which is going to convert like crazy, we don't just allow this for Facebook. The OTO one means they can then do it for Instagram, Google, and YouTube as well. Here, for example, I've typed in the domain and we've used Adidas as the domain here. So I can see all the different ads that Adidas are running for their shoes, for their brands. You can go in here again and filter out, see what's happening on these different ad groups. Again, if I click on the question mark, here, it's going to show you more information about this actual ad, and it's pretty damn simple of how it works. So there we go there. If I want to see the ad itself, simply click learn more, pulls it up here over on Instagram, and I can then see what type of content is working. So again, it takes the guesswork out of it for you. You can see what people are engaging with, what creative people are using, the text the ad's working, that works. So essentially other people are spending money testing, so you don't have to. Here is a quick example of marketing on YouTube. So I typed in the keyword marketing, so I can see all the different marketing ads that are on YouTube, and I can then go ahead and filter out according to which ones are getting the most engagement and which ones aren't. You can see this one here, 13,000 likes. So that's a better ad to have to go over and see what they've done there. See the landing page the ad goes to, what their call to action is, versus this one here, which has 0 likes. But it's been seen by 68,000 people and no one's really engaging with that ad itself there. And again, you just keep on scrolling down. Here's Mr. Fred Lamb. You can see what is happening, right? And the titles they use, and this is the information that would really help creating a successful ad, because if you don't know it, you're just trying to guess what titles to use, what text to use, what image to use, what video to use, what age groups to target, what locations to target, if you want it in the news feed or on the sidebar, and what type of ad. Advertsuite removes all that guesswork for you. Here, I'm showing you a Google example, again, for a local marketing. If you're doing local marketing, I've used surgeon, for example, here. Did the keyword, typed in surgeon here, and you can see all the different surgery ads that are running around the world. Now, again, I haven't selected the country, but you can really start to break it down and see what ads are working. And finally here, I just wanted to show you again, the front end product is the Facebook. So you get Facebook with all this information here for a one-time small investment. The first upgrade, OTO1, allows you to have Instagram, Google, and YouTube opened as well. You can get unlimited searches. You can favorite ads. You can go in there and play around with any of this. If you need review access right now, I've got it for you guys. Send me a message here. And again, it's just as simple as clicking through these. OTO2 is going to be our VIP training where I actually show you how to not only use this software in the best way possible, but then how to go out and create really profitable ads through Ads Manager. So anyone that's never done a Facebook ad before, they can take this and take my training and implement it to start making some serious bank. Finally, OTO3 is going to be our white label version, which again will allow you to remove our Advertsuite logo, put their logo in there, have their own unique login page with their own logo on the login page as if it was theirs. They can generate license keys, they can sell them, rent them, give them away, revoke them, whatever they want. We're giving away 20 license keys for that deal there, and then it's an absolute no-brainer. So rather than going on, I want to get this in your hands, give you access to it. We go live on August 21st. We have over $20,000 in no minimum prizes. We have a pre-launch as well. If you need me to do a webinar for you, I'm more than happy to do that. This is something I've been working on for years, and we finally got to the point now where we are ready to release it. So for anyone doing paid ads or wanting to get the fastest way to get the most amount of traffic to their sites, Advertsuite is for them. So let me give you a review copy. Let me get you set up with anything you need: swipes, bonuses, bonus pages, a few bad jokes from me if you want. Whatever it is you need, let's get it done. And I'm so excited to have you become a part of Advertsuite, which goes live again August 21st at 9 a.m. Eastern. The JV page is advertsuite.com/JV. Message myself or Simon Harris for anything you need at all, and I'm so excited for you to be a part of this. Thanks, guys.